Amphibian metamorphosis and ecology. By the end of this lecture, students will be able to describe amphibian diversity and evolutionary history, explain amphibian life cycle and the process of metamorphosis, compare anatomical and physiological adaptation of frogs, toads, and salamanders, discuss amphibian ecological rules and their importance as indicators, recognize threats to amphibian population and approach to conservation. Amphibians first appeared 375 million years ago, older than dinosaurs. Fossils found on every continent, including Antarctica, loop finding fish ancestors transitioned from water to land. Amphibian with double lives. Largest amphibian, 12 feet live, 12 feet lived 350 million years ago. Modern amphibians are diverse, needing moist environment for skin and reproduction. Amphibian eggs are often laid in predator-free temporary pools or shallow water. Amphibian life cycle metamorphosis egg stage externally fertilized, often in clams, frogs, or strings toads. Tadpole stage fish like gill tail for swimming, mostly herbivorous, eating algae. Larger tadpoles may eat crustacean or each other. Metamorphosis hind leg appear first, front legs develop under skin, loss of gills, growth of lungs, wider mouth, more carnivorous diet. Adult amphibian capable of terrestrial life, varied diet, and species-specific herbivores. Statistic: 90% of 7,000 amphibians are frogs, toads, 10% salamanders, less than 3% Silesian limbless, Sicilians, limbless, salamanders, long-tailed, short legs, moist skin, resemble lizard but not scaly. Greatest diversity in US, particularly Appalachian and West Coast. Nocturnal live in leaf litter under logs between rocks. Size range 1 inch to 6 feet. Giant Chinese salamander. Habitat fully aquatic, fully terrestrial or mixed. Eggs laid in water or land, keep moist until hatching. Respiration podiomorphic, retain gills, mud puppy, lungs present but not used, skin respiration with folds of surface area, help blender, lungless salamanders, full cutaneous skin respiration. Salamanders are bioindicator, sensitive skin reacts to environmental changes, treats habitat destruction, water silation, and pollution. Frogs and toads belong to order Anura. Anura. Distinction between frogs and toad is mainly nomenclature. Physical trait: frogs smoother skin, longer muscle legs for jumping and aquatic. Toads bumpier skin, shorter legs for hopping. Terrestrial behavior: frogs timid, jump when startled. Toads may still stay still, produce toxin from skin glands for defense. Feeding adaptation: frogs long sticky tongue attached at the back of the mouth. Bulging eyes help push prey down during swallowing. Vocalization used for mating, monitored by project like Frog Watch USA. A single toad can eat 200 insects per evening. A tree frog pollution: 1,000 individual can consume 5 million insects per year. Ecological and human importance: amphibian control insect population, preventing disease spread, provide food. Frog leg 80,000 tons per year are used in research and pets. Severe as serve as prey and predator in food webs. Loss affect ecosystem, cultural symbolism, rebirth, rain, and life. Threats to amphibians, habitat loss, pollution, exploitation, invasive species, climate change, disease. At least 30% of amphibians are threatened. More than 120 species extinct since 1980, sensitive as bioindicator, permeable skin absorb toxin, double environmental exposure. Eggs are vulnerable due to minimal protection. Conservation efforts participate in frog watch, naturalist, or local zoo programs. Organization Smithsonian Amphibian Ark, local amphibian conservation project, monitoring population, protecting habitats, and sustainable use. This for test your understanding. Describe the life cycle of an amphibian frog egg to adult. Compare the adaptation of salamander, frogs, and toad for survival. Explain how amphibians act as ecological bioindicator. Identify the main threat to amphibian population. Give example of conservation strategies for amphibians.